So recently on my birthday, my best friend made me this beautiful, beautiful piece of art, and I got really interested. So I looked up how you make it and stuff, and I was like, this is a cool new art project. So I decided to make some, and I'll be making one for you guys. So basically, I went on Apple Music. If you don't have Apple Music, you can definitely use Spotify or whatever music app you use. And I screenshotted the song that I would like to choose. I cropped out all the small details that I didn't want on my plaque. And yeah, I basically just screenshot it. So once I screenshotted them, I went ahead and copied the picture and I pasted it on a Google Docs document, and I went ahead and printed it as well. Basically, you're going to need this glass. I used it from an old picture frame, this oil-based paint marker in the color white. Of course, what you printed out, some double-sided tape, nail polish remover just to correct anything. And the pictures that we used are coming from Walmart. This is a 4x4 and they were like 16 cents each. So our glass is looking a little bit too smudgy. So we're going to take our Windex and we're going to spray it down because we want our glass to be crystal clear. And we're just going to wipe our glass down and make sure that it's clean. Pay no attention to Ryan's cameo in this video because he's about to make two. So I went ahead and did this plaque off camera just to make sure I had the correct feel of things. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to take your print out. You're going to place your glass right above it. Line up everything correctly so that it's not tilted or anything. Then you're going to take your oil-based paint marker and you're just going to start tracing over it. So now that we're finished tracing our paper onto our glass, we are going to take our picture and we're going to tape it to the back. Like I told you guys, you're going to need your double-sided tape, and you're going to need your picture that I got from Walmart. Make sure that is a 4x4. If it's like anything else, it's gonna look really funny. So a 4x4 is the perfect sizing for the picture for this project. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna want to put some tape on each side of the picture and then just press it on. So this is the finished product of this project. In the next clip, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I hang it up on my wall. So you're going to take 4 flat pins and you're going to adjust it on your wall the way you want it to hang up. You are then going to take each pin and you're going to apply it on each corner. And that is how you hang this up on your wall.